Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another vehicle for the auction sale coming up on July the 5th. That is a government surplus vehicle and equipment sale with some estate items. This is a 2003 Ford E250 cargo van. There's 3 of these vans in this auction. Various kilometers and configurations, but this one here, just a standard cargo van. It's got some contractor shelving in the rear. I'll just kind of wander around here and give you the exterior, and then of course go through and show you what I've noticed on the van. Sliding door on the side, barn doors on the rear. So there you go there, E250. No keys for any of the lockups in the back here. So there's shelving on the left, full bank of shelving on the left there, and then some shelving on the right with one little locking compartment. A couple of storage bays here on each of the doors on the inside. No screens on the windows, but it does have the cargo a divider, and of course lighting, accessory lighting in the ceiling. This contractor shelving is all aluminum, so it's all aluminum construction, plywood floor. Let's go through a little bit of marks and scratches here, small dents right by the passenger rear corner, and then sliding door. Goes through. Of course, you know, like normal, we all these vehicles are towed to our facility here in Langley, and then we drive them around. All the government surplus vehicles are towed here. That way, they're you know, there's no liability driving them on the road. But yeah, so then we do drive them around here just to, you know, see, make sure they operate and everything. But okay. These are all very basic vehicles, like not a lot of options other than the cargo racking and stuff like that. So a little bit of a storage compartment here, divider between the seats. Passenger seat doesn't seem to have any rips or tears. Driver's seat does. We'll get over there though shortly. So this sells unreserved on July the 5th. From our auction facility here in Langley. Of course, we use the online auction site called bcsurplus.com, and we're All City Auctioneers. A little bit of scratch there with some rust. Paint fade down here in the entrance. This one's got power mirrors and tilt steering. I'll fire it up here shortly. Just gotta climb in now and hold the camera while I do that. 102,320 kilometers. All the warning lights illuminate. And of course, after the vehicle's been running, they all shut down. Again, very few options. AM/FM radio, no air conditioning, nothing like that. I'll just go pop the hood now and let you listen to the motor. .2 liter, I believe that is just their 6-cylinder engine. I'll let you listen now. Okay, so like I said, we've driven it around our yard. You know, it seems to run and drive, move forward, move backward, start, stop, all that type of stuff. It might have an auxiliary alarm system on it. It does have a key fob that comes with it. I'll just show you here. And you can just heard it beep. So There you go there. So it might have an alarm system on it. We have not tried that out, of course, because we don't try all the options in the vehicles. But again, this is selling on July the 5th. Highest bid wins. Of course, the auction site is bcsurplus.com, and it's just part of the auction with a whole bunch of other vehicles and equipment being sold at that sale. Hope you get another buy-by auction. Thank you very much.